Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. And kagigising ko lang, guys. I just woke up and my face is so haggard. Hi, good morning, everyone. So every morning, guys, when I wake up, I drink warm water. Ayan, warm water, guys. Ayan, pampano to siya, guys. One of the best, guys, pampalinis ng ating, ano, intestine. Ayan, para matanggal yung toxic sa ating body, guys. Ayan, ayan, I drink this every other day. Ayan, a warm water with lemon. Warm water, and then the next day, warm water with lemon naman siya. Ayan. Ito po, magandang, para matanggal yung, acid mo sa katawan. Ayan. And, charan! This is my breakfast, guys. Ayan. Yung ating boiled egg. Ayan, ito yung aking, guys, breakfast for today. Ayan. Napakagandang to, guys. Dahil ako ay nagda-diet ngayon. Ayan. So, ito yung aking mga kinakain ngayon, guys. A boiled egg. 2 pieces of boiled egg. Ayan. Yan yung aking breakfast. Breakfast for today. Ayan. O, diba? Pack. Ayan. So, ayan. Natin siya, guys. Ayan. Ay, maluto na siya masyado, guys. Ayan, gusto ko sana yung malasado. Yung hindi pa masyadong, guys. Ayan, ating, boiled egg. 2 pieces of boiled egg. Then, after this, guys, ayan, na ako, a mild exercise. Mild exercise for my legs and for my tummy. Ayan, balatan lang natin siya, guys. Tadaan! Ready to eat na. So, yummy. Luto na masyado, guys. Dapat nung malasado lang siya, guys. Dapat yung malasado lang dapat siya ng konti. My breakfast. Ayan. Ito, guys, more on vitamins to, more on protein. Ating boiled egg. Ating dilaw. Sarap. So yummy. Ayan. Sa isa pa lang, guys, hirap na hirap na akong busin. Isa pa lang busog na ako. So, mamaya po yung isa, guys. Mamaya ko siya kakainin. Mamaya lunch time. Ayun. So, ayun. Sold na ako, guys, sa aking breakfast for today. 1 boiled egg. Ayan. And then, I drink a warm water. So yummy, diba? Ayan, guys, healthy diet. Ayan, so that's it for today, guys. My my breakfast for today.